Hi everyone, this is Alan here from BMW Durham, back again with another video. Today I wanted to share with you the 2022 BMW 330i with Laserlight headlights. Now I know this is not our first time seeing a 2022 330i, and I know there are no scheduled changes or anything like that, but this is a fresh piece that came off the truck, and I noticed that it had not only the Laserlight headlights, it also has the 791 M style wheels with the M Sport package on it, and we've got the red M Sport brake calipers, and that looks really good. So in my opinion, if you're not an SUV type of person and you're looking to get something that's a very nice daily driver that's not too expensive, good on fuel, good power, the 3 Series is the standard. And with the 2022 version, because you have some of these other options, like the ability to get the red M Sport brakes or the different color interiors and such, you can really dress this car up. So I just wanted to share this car with you because with the Laserlight headlights, it really changes the appearance of the vehicle. And I know for some, this is a must-have option. Now, aside from this model having the M Sport package, we also have the high gloss black exterior content. So you got the black kidney grille, you've got the black side mirrors. I mean, the car's already black. Well, this one has the black wheels, it's got the black window surrounds, and of course we've got a black interior on this one as well. Now this one does not have Harman Kardon, and I'm gonna imagine we do not have the wireless charging tray, which we do not. But I mean, another thing that's really good about the 330, so that B46 2-liter turbo twin power turbo engine that's in there, it cranks out 290 foot-pounds of torque, whereas if you drive an X3, it's way less. I think it's like 250. So when you drive this vehicle, it is very quick off the line, and you wouldn't necessarily expect that from this motor, but it is BMW, it is twin power turbo, so little to no turbo lag. It spools up very quickly and gives you tons of power. So I mean, the M340i definitely is way faster than this, but this is not a slow car by any means, and having that 4-cylinder will definitely give you better fuel economy, and I know that's definitely on the top of a lot of people's minds today. Just to give you guys a little look into the back seat here, so this car just came off the truck, so that's why it's got all the seat belts and everything still done up. And here's a nice little side profile. So the red M Sport brake calipers really pop, especially with everything else being black. It's really good contrast. And with the red tail lights, of course, black cars always look good. And I mean, this one's even filthy and it looks good. And now I also like, just for the fact that the 330i actually has real tailpipes, which is kind of cool. I like that. Okay, and just like every other 3 Series, we have a ton of space back here. You're gonna find your toolkit stuff down here under this panel. You've got the release levers underneath here to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. You've got the 12-volt plug, emergency glow-in-the-dark handle for release, and a little storage area just down there. So the 3 Series has a lot of space, seats fold down. It's a great family vehicle, great daily commuter car. All right, so this is the B46 2-liter twin power turbo 4-cylinder. Looks really good under here. So this one does have BMW Live Cockpit Professional, so we've got the full digital dash here, and we've got iDrive 7 here as to be expected. This car is very well appointed. You've got the sunroof in here as well, and I think this is definitely a great vehicle for a daily driver, commuter car, family vehicle, or if you're just trying to get your foot into BMW and you don't want to spend too much money and you want good fuel economy still, this is definitely a great pick. Alright, so we don't often see a 330 equipped in this fashion, so I wanted to share this vehicle with you just for the fact that it does look so good, especially with those Red M Sport brakes and the Laserlight headlights. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hi everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, and we're back again with another video. And today I wanted to share with you this 2020. Hi everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. And today I want to share with you this neat